In previous video we learned about how you can install Litmus using Helm, and for this particular video we'll learn how you can do the same using kubectl. So let's get started. I will be using the Litmus documentation in order to guide you through how you can install Litmus using kubectl. So this is the installation guide, and if you go to the installation using kubectl, you will land on this doc. So firstly we need to install the Mongo. So let's do that. Let's copy this command and go to our terminal. Paste it. Alright, Vietnamese has been added to our repositories. Now next is we need to copy these Mongo values and paste it in some file in the local system so that we can use it later to install it. So I'll just copy this command, paste it here, and here you need to add the path of the file where you have entered these values. So I have saved all the values in this mongo.yaml file in my local systems. So I'll copy the path from here and then paste it over here. Alright, we need to enter the namespace name. Let's make it Litmus. And yeah. Alright, so it has installed the Mongo. Let's clear this out first, and let's go to kubectl get pods Litmus. You can see pods are up and running. Now next we need to apply this manifest in order to install the required service account configurations for our chaos center. So let's copy this command, paste it here. Make sure you add the namespace name, that is Litmus. So you can see it has started installing the services. Alright, now if you go to kubectl get services Litmus, you can see all the services over here. Alright, so you can see over here we have the front-end service as discussed in the last Helm installation as well. We can assign an external IP to this so that we can access it using that external IP. Again, we'll go to the docs, and over here you can go to this doc and then just copy this command where you need to update the spec type as load balancer. Copy this, paste it here, change the namespace as Litmus. Okay. Alright, now let's go to services again. You can see it's showing pending in external IP for the front-end service. Let me clear this out. Let's check it again. It's showing pending, and sometime it will show it. It will take some time and it will show an external IP over here. Alright, we got an external IP. Now let's copy this with the port of 9091 and paste it in our browser. As soon as you do that, you'll land on this login page for Litmus. And you can see that our chaos center is up and running. It will ask us to log in first. So let's go to the doc again. And if you go to the installation guide, verify installation, and here you'll see the username and password, that is admin and Litmus. Just copy this and paste it here, admin and Litmus. And once you enter it, it will ask you to reset your password. And once you do that, it will log you into the chaos center.